Hi everybody, Andrew Pliagas here with the Harper Porsche Classic program, and today we're going to shine a spotlight on headlights and other exterior lights as well. Our 1992 964 Carrera RS for the individualization category in the Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge is a vehicle that we have worked very hard to keep classic or maintain the character of, but also bring into the modern era. And exterior lights are going to play a big part in that. We've decided not only to modernize and clean up the appearance of the car, but also to bring its nighttime safety and performance into the modern age with the help of a few products from Porsche Classic and from our aftermarket specialists as well. This is the new Porsche Classic H4 LED headlight retrofit kit for the air-cooled 911s all the way up through the 964. This is not a product that is currently available in the US, but it is German TÜV approved and bears a Porsche Classic part number. We have decided to acquire a set for evaluation for ourselves, and we hope that we can make it available to our customers soon. Now, with regard to our front indicators, we have decided to move away from the classic amber lenses in order to amplify the green notes in the car's new Chroma Flare paint. And we've done that with the help of FVD Brombacher and with FabSpeed by going to a set of clear front reflectors, indicators, and LED side marker lamps. For the lamps that do not have built-in LEDs, we have turned to Bergville FX for their direct fit LED lamp kit, and we are excited to say that not only is our car much more visible at night, but it is also a much more modern appearance in keeping with what we've tried to achieve with this car. If you are interested in modernizing any of the safety or aesthetic items on your own Porsche Classic, please do reach out to us and we'll be happy to assist.